Globalization has made the world a smaller place. Lumel, having its roots in Poland, whereas Rishabh, situated in India, have their own specific markets of dominance. Lumel has a strong presence in European territories, whereas Rishabh has its presence felt mainly in Asian, African and American markets. Together, Lumel and Rishabh can make their global presence and jointly enter the untapped markets worldwide. Rishabh's current range of products is very similar yet different from Lumel's range of product. Adding to the geographic advantage, both the companies can offer a larger basket of products to their existing customers and proposed customers. India, the land of the great Ganges and the majestic Taj, has now been acknowledged as one of the fastest growing economies of the world. With the advent of liberalization and outward-looking economic policies in the early 1990s, India has emerged as the most favored destination for software and electronic industries. Maharashtra, a western state of India, with Mumbai, the commercial capital of the country, is one of the most industrially advanced state of the country. Nasik, a vibrant industrial town, is located just 180 kilometers northwest of Mumbai, having excellent connectivity through a 4-lane national highway, efficient rail network and daily flights. Rishabh Instruments Private Limited came into existence in the year 1985 as a brainchild of a visionary technocrat, Mr. Narendra Golia.
Rishabh has been in existence for about 25 years. From a single product company, it has grown into multi-products with multi-location. Rishabh is a company with factories in Bombay and Nasik and markets all over the world. Now, from being an international company with headquarters in India, we are trying to acquire companies internationally so that not only do the markets increase but also the technology and the capability to develop new products goes a continuous improvement so that we are able to make products for the world market, especially Europe and North America. We consider our people to be our asset, and that is how from a company which was doing only panel meters 25 years back in a single location and doing a turnover of about 10 million, today we do about 80 million turnover, and we have multiple factories with a R&D setup of about 100 people.
Rishabh Instruments is engaged in developing, manufacturing and marketing of electrical test and measuring instruments and industrial control products. Right from its inception, Rishabh has focused on manufacturing of its products with high global standards, global sourcing of raw materials with value addition, as a result of which, in a very short span, the Rishabh brand has become a hallmark of quality, safety and reliability. Not only in Indian markets, but in the markets of nearly 30 countries of the globe. No wonder that Rishabh Instruments commands a significant share in the electronic industrial product markets and has emerged as the world leader in the manufacturing of analog panel meters. In a span of 25 years since its inception, Rishabh Instruments has achieved many significant and diversified milestones, right from becoming world's biggest manufacturer in analog meters to starting its own research and development center in setting up a truly integrated manufacturing facility. Rishabh Instruments possesses a spacious physical infrastructure in the form of utilizable land and buildings. It is indeed a matter of great pride for Rishabh to mention that we have unique integrated process of manufacturing where the processes right from the product design to the final assembly and testing take place under one roof. Our unique manufacturing integration includes Digital Design Center equipped with PCB designing software, Mechanical Design Center with facilities for plastic and punch design facilities, mold and tool designing facilities, molds and tools manufacturing facilities, molds and tools inspection facilities, PCB manufacturing for surface mount components and plated through hole components, PCB inspection facilities, coils and small transformers winding facilities, expertise to develop production jigs and fixtures, and environmental test facilities. India, the largest democracy in the world, with the most stable democratic system, with its socio, cultural and open economic policies, attracts the multinational companies for favorable business environment. It is in our culture to build a long-term association in personal as well as professional lives. We promote social, cultural, sports and musical events in order to create a healthy work environment. What we are, what we do, let's hear it straight from our employees.
नमस्कार, मी सुनील शिवाजी पुरा.
नमस्कार, मी मीना जाधव.
माझे नाव प्रसाद कृष्ण पात्रे.
माझे नाव शिल्पा माहेश्वर.
मी रिषभ इन्स्ट्रुमेंट या युनिटमध्ये 11 वर्षापासून कार्यरत आहे. तरी मी रिषभ या डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये
21 वर्ष म्हणजे कसे गेले हे मलाही कळालं नाही.
मागच्या 18 वर्षापासून कंपनीत काम करतो. 15 वर्षापासून रिषभमध्ये काम करतो.
पहिल्यांदा वर्कर या कॅटेगरीमध्ये जॉईन झालो तर कमी ऑपरेटर्स म्हणून. त्यानंतर मी 7 वर्ष वर्करमध्ये काम केलं. त्यानंतर मला स्टाफ कॅटेगरीमध्ये प्रमोशन मिळालं. प्रमोशन झाल्यानंतर मी रिषभ सुपरवायझर म्हणून काम करतो आहे.
आणि इथं वातावरण आणि काम घेण्याची पद्धत आहे खूप चांगली आहे. काही कुठले क्लेश असेल पण इथं आल्यावर मनुष्य विसरून जातो. वरिष्ठ पण खूप चांगल्या पद्धतीने वागतात.
म्हणजे जे सिनियर आहेत ते मला वेळोवेळी मदत करतात.
जेव्हा रिषभ जॉईन केली तेव्हा मला टेक्निकल फील्डबद्दल काहीच माहीत नव्हतं. पण मी जेव्हापासून रिषभ जॉईन केली तेव्हा मला अक्षरशः गन पकडण्यापासून सगळं माझ्या मैत्रिणींनी किंवा माझ्या सिनियर्सनी शिकवलेलं आहे. आणि मी 15 वर्षापासून सॅटिस्फाईड आहे. कारण
रिषभ इन्स्ट्रुमेंटमुळे मला एवढं नॉलेज मिळते. आज बाहेर मी कुठं जरी गेलो तरी चांगल्या प्रकारे माझं जीवन जगू शकतो. मी गुन्हे आहे कधी विसरणार नाही.
5-6 वर्षापूर्वी माझ्या मिस्टरांचं ऑपरेशन झालं, कॅन्सरचं ऑपरेशन झालं. त्यावेळेला कंपनीतल्या सहकार्याने जी मदत करता येईल तेवढी केली.
शिवाय मला जेवढा फॅमिलीमध्ये जेवढा आनंद मिळतो त्यापेक्षाही जास्त आनंद मला माझ्या कंपनीमध्ये मिळतो. कारण माझ्या इतका दुःखद प्रसंग घडलेला आहे आणि तेव्हा सगळ्यात जास्त मदत किंवा सहकार्य आणि सपोर्ट जो म्हणतात तो मला माझ्या रिषभमधून मिळाले.
आमचे बॉस नरेंद्र मोदी आहेत, ते आमच्या वडिलांप्रमाणेच फक्त म्हणता येईल त्यांना. ती माझी मुलगी BE इंजिनियर झाली आज. ते फक्त सरांनी दिलेल्या प्रोत्साहनामुळे आणि त्यांनी मदत केलेली.
रिषभमध्ये माझ्या फॅमिलीची ग्रोथ होती. जशी कंपनीची ग्रोथ झाली आहे तशीच माझ्या फॅमिलीची ग्रोथ मला रिषभमधूनच मिळते. आणि मला कधी कधी असं वाटतं की मी रिषभमध्ये आहे ना, या गोष्टीचा मला खूप गर्व आहे.
Focus, an annual employee magazine where the company publishes, provides a platform for the employees to express their thoughts, feelings and talent. About 67% of people have been working with Lumel for over 10 years, which is very similar to Rishabh, where about 57% are working with the company for more than 7 years. To put this into context, Lumel has a history of 50 years, whereas Rishabh is in existence since 25 years. Since its inception, the company has discharged only 4 employees for the betterment of others, which has grown to about 600 today. Rishabh has been continuously trying to retain, grow and develop its employees here in India and will ensure the same in Poland. The benefit of this proposed merger would not only result in a bigger product basket and larger markets to sell, but also be resonant in the research and development operations. Currently, Lumel has a team of 35 people dedicated to research and development. Similarly, Rishabh has about 38 people and plans to add 100 more solely dedicated to research and development activities. Best technological practices of both the companies will surely result in efficient product development and manufacturing. Jointly, Lumel and Rishabh can invent the future by introducing cutting-edge products and technology.
Acquisition of Lumel will make us a more international company with not only production centers but also R&D centers in different parts of the world, so that we are able to cater not only to the Indian and Asian markets but also to the developed markets of Europe and North America. Together with the many years of experience both of the engineers and managers at Lumel and at Rishabh, we are sure that the combined entity will be a force to reckon with and will be one of the most dominant players in the world market of test and measurement instruments and aluminum die casting in the next 10 years.
Together, both the companies can benefit by negotiating better discounts on raw material and components. Procurements can be in large quantities with the added benefit of a large global network of suppliers to increase profit margins. Today, India is one of the fastest growing economies of the world, with a growth rate of about 8%. The lucrative automobile sector in India is growing by more than 30% every year, which can be an opportunity for die casting. In the power sector, India plans to have surplus power by 2012, which is creating huge requirements in the test and measuring instruments. Poland, the sixth largest and one of the fastest growing economies in the European Union, has unlocked its true potential with a 6% yearly growth in 2007. It has shown resilience by not shrinking, unlike its counterparts in the recent recession. What can go wrong when such similar forces come together? Mr. Golia, a technocrat turned entrepreneur, the principal shareholder of the company, has an outstanding academic background as he has completed his B.Tech from the Indian Institute of Technology, Mumbai, and MS in Microelectronics from the Stanford University in the United States. Rishabh Instruments is thus a dream of the first generation entrepreneur. We at Rishabh look forward to join hands with Lumel to create a win-win situation for both the companies.
Welcome. We welcome you all in our Rishabh family to have growth together. Welcome to the family.
Let's grow our family and look forward to a promising future. Let's grow together. Let's work together. Aao saath chale.
We are looking forward to welcoming the Lumel family into the Rishabh family, and I'm sure you are looking forward to welcoming the Rishabh family into the Lumel family, so that the two companies together are able to achieve the target set by the management in the shortest possible time. Thank you.
Let's work together. Let's grow together.